Every champion's road to the top is paved with blood, sweat, and sacrifice. In EA SPORTS UFC, for the first time ever, before you get your arm raised to win this title, you'll have to start by proving you're worthy of another. For nearly a decade, The Ultimate Fighter has been a proving ground for MMA's elite. And before your UFC career can end up in the Hall of Fame, it's going to begin in the tough gym. Launch your career by tailoring your look and skill base with our extensive fighter creation system, featuring Photo Game Face. Then, it's time to hit the gym. Hone your wrestling, grappling, and striking skills in one of the UFC's most revered training facilities. There, you'll gather all the tools you need to complete the transformation from prospect to prodigy, dominate the tough tournament, and claim the coveted UFC contract, along with the title of the Ultimate Fighter. Your long-term EA SPORTS UFC career is based on two rating systems: popularity and longevity. Bring your A game, put on exciting fights, and score big finishes to earn fans and watch your popularity skyrocket.
There isn't a day that goes by that I don't see your face on magazines or on TV.
Not only will a high popularity rating unlock sponsors whose gear you can then wear in-game, as well as exclusive fighter messages, it'll also encourage the UFC's biggest stars to visit your camp with training tips before important fights. But fight recklessly and absorb too much punishment, and your career longevity meter will drop quicker than if you fight intelligently. Like any fighter, you can only get your ticket punched so many times, and when your longevity meter runs out, your fighter's career is over. Progressing through your fighter's career will also earn you evolution and experience points. Evolution points can be used towards upgrading your fighter's attributes and moves, allowing you to increase the power of your left hand or learn how to do the Showtime kick. Experience points automatically go towards leveling up your fighter, which works to unlock abilities that can be used to customize a game plan for your upcoming fight. There are 3 ability categories: stand-up, ground game, and physical abilities. And when added to a game plan, they give your fighter unique performance boosts in those areas. Fighting smart makes all the difference in EA SPORTS UFC. And over the course of your career, you can unlock multiple game plans, helping you to become a more varied and dynamic fighter. Every opponent is different, and you'll have to put together the right game plan if you want to beat the best, take the title, and fight your way into the UFC Hall of Fame. Feel the fight for yourself when EA SPORTS UFC drops June 17th.